Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you saw by that, little thumbnail you clicked on, we are going to take a look at another Grave Before Shave product, the Tequila Limon. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about this guy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I know your time is your most precious commodity and I'm very grateful you're giving me some of it. I hope to earn more of it. Now, for you first timers and you long time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up down there. Click on that thing, hover over it. Should pull up subscribe. Go ahead and knock it out the way early and you go feel better about yourself for the rest of today. Alright, here's my fourth Grave Before Shave product that I've brought to the channel. This one is really intense. I will be honest with you, I am not a huge fan of tequila. I have had bad experiences every single time I drank it. But way back when I first started getting into beard oil and I was grabbing everything I could get that everybody thought was popular, lots of people talked about this one. So I went, okay, let me give it a try. Yeah, unless you like tequila, because this one will smack you right in the mouth. But let me give you a little bit of background stuff here. Now, Grave Before Shave is made in the USA out of San Bernardino, California. Couldn't really find with the homework like I usually do exactly when it was established, by who, if it's vet owned, if it's female owned, any of that. But that's okay, because they're just killing it. They're rolling out great product, they're rolling out good stuff, and, they are just, they're like on top of the game. You can find them at www.gravebeforeshave.com. They're also, I think their other company is Fisticuffs, so they're like kind of combined together on their web store, and that's cool. Now, this is going to run you $12. And that's okay for a 1 ounce bottle because it's right in that range between 10 and 20 bucks that you're usually going to pay for 1 ounce of beard oil. It does have the eyedropper top, which I really truly like. And just to show you, there's the oil. It's got a real golden tinge to it, and that's okay. Jesus, that tequila smell. Sorry. It's just how the carrier oils mix. They do offer free shipping within the United States. Now, I ain't gonna lie, that scent strength, it will smack you in the mouth right away. It's a very heavy strength right out of the bottle, and it will taper down to like a medium strength. Its scent profile, and I love how they put it, bam, tequila with lemon lime afternotes. They ain't lying. You ain't gonna watch the sniff test because just opening that bottle to show you that, I could smell it. It is heavy on the tequila scent. Alright, so here's your ingredients, which are pretty freaking standard for every single thing for Grave Before Shave. Tea tree oil, pure apricot oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera, and some essential oils. And that is quite okay, because it makes for a really cool oil that coats beautifully, gets in there, and does its job. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, sorry, I am not opening this thing again. That tequila smells just like tequila, and I don't agree. Like I said, bought it because everyone was raving. I was an idiot at the time, didn't really do a lot of homework on it, and yeah. So, I don't know if you can see that, but I've only used to about right there, and it came basically right up there. Haven't used it a lot, and it's been sitting on a beard shelf. But if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, basically look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your hair growing healthy, beautiful, manageable, not dried out, split ends, all that weird stuff. Beard oil will help that along. So basically what you do is you just squeeze a little eyedropper top, get in as much as you need. Everybody's different. I know some people go 2-3 drops. Some people use half a dropper. Some people use a full dropper. Some people with massively long beards use 2 dropfuls. You figure out what you need. All right. Get it in your hands, rub it together, warm it up, and you just work it right into your skin. I mean, it adds that vitamin supplement. It helps soften up your beard, and it gives you an incredible smell to your beard. Especially if you like tequila. I don't recommend wearing that during work days because people are going to be like, you been drinking? Mm-hmm. Right. Hey, here's a little cup. Come on, let's go have a little test. Yeah. Whoo. Okay. Sorry. Back on track. But here's the fun part for me. All right. Grave Before Shave does incredible stuff. And like I said, they have in-house artists. And I showed this bottle on another video a moment ago because I'm block filming today. So these ones were done back to back. I love the skull designs that they usually have on everything. You know, like that one's a little different. That was all done by an in-house artist. And there's the one for the Gentleman's Blend. You know, all their artwork is different. All their bottles are different. So it's not like you're going in and you're seeing like the Cremo Company. And speaking of that, we've brought them to the channel. Take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, hair care, whatever care, up top. Cremo Company has basically the same label across the board, so you have to look very closely at what you're picking up. The only difference on the label is kind of like the coloration on the side. That's it. Now, if I was sitting in a store looking on a shelf, I'm going to know exactly what I'm looking for. Oh, look, the tequila. Oh, look, the hangover killers, the brain cells killers. But still. Alright, so I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below in the comments section. I especially want to know if you've used, you know, the Tequila Limon before. I would like to know your experiences with it, your smell factor with it, or people around you when you've been wearing it, because I can tell you when I've worn this a couple times, my better half's like, oh my god, what is that? Not pleasant for her at all. At all. But yeah, I'd like to know your experiences with it. Alright, so let's move this one along. Because, like, I'm already sitting and going, just the smell. But, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video today. I know it's a weird one. I know it's going to probably end up being a short one. That's okay. Because I just don't like talking about tequila, but it's been sitting on the beard shelf for a while, and it needs to make its way to the channel. So it's here. Like I said, I know it's a weird one, and I hope I've earned more of your viewing time. So, for you first-timers that, you know, didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why not? Here's a perfect chance for you, because we believe in redemption here on the channel. Take a look right down there. There's going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, and it'll bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that thing out of the park, go ahead and destroy its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Grave Before Shave, Tequila Limon. Thanks so much for watching this weird one today, and I hope you have a great one.